Hi there. The way you use the display name plugin is you go to your WordPress dashboard, you go to plugins, add new, upload plugin, choose file, go to wherever you add that plugin, pick the file. In my case would be this one, but I already have it installed, so yeah, just do that, press activate, and you should be redirected to the plugin list. Here, if it's not activated, you click activate, plugin activated. Right now it's installed and ready to be used. So to use it, you have to go to users, put your mouse over it, don't click on it, go to publicity names, and here you have the options. If you want for the administrator to be shown only with the first name, you can pick first name. Apply to current users if you want to apply the changes to all the existing users. If not, it will apply it only to the new users. After that, hit save, hit OK, and that should be it. Your setting was saved and now it works. Thank you.